want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look you better cook.
Think of the for your pretty looks, you want to live a restaurant. Guys, listen, if you watched last week's show and you thought Talia and Dwayne's African Puff Puff last week was a disaster, we have a few videos to show that makes them look like they're chefs.
Wasn't that a disaster though? Wasn't.
Watch this.
Talia big chef. Trust me. All right, so.
Special fried rice. I put some oil in. Right now I'm going to chop the garlic up.
She's not doing anything so wrong, yes? Go on.
Debbie.
Debbie. No, moms, no, mama.
What is that?
Boo, honey.
Wait,
no, babe,
just
stop.
the rice?
Stop, baby, stop.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh.
You're not supposed to make the garlic turn black like that, miss.
But Debbie, it's not that. She just throw rice in there.
So the rice has never cooked yet before. It's just the raw rice.
And
it's like she's making a risotto and eggs into the pot.
Oh
Jesus, good and great. Save the Lord. Help.
It look.
Yeah, all right.
Special fried rice. Test.
Taste.
Yo, you're a wicked boy. Yo.
If you ever feel like, sir, you need
good.
help. Stop it.
Yo, our wicked boy. Yo, our lion.
I pray for his trachea, Lord Jesus, as he swallows.
Well, hear the rice, Debbie. Crunch. Oh, God. And she'll look on him too, you know?
You can't taste the garlic.
Yeah.
You can't taste the garlic. Debbie, she'll look on him. Syria.
What
Syria. And she have the nerve, Syria.
Yeah, like she said, yeah, man.
But put my foot in that one, yeah.
Let me tell you, that's a very special fried rice because I've never seen rice fried like that before in my life. It's very special, ma'am. You're on the ball.
It's a Caucasian version of fried rice.
Don't say that. Because you have some Caucasians who make good fried rice.
No, I never said
that.
No, it's like you have Chinese fried
that
rice.
That is hers and it's very special. And she should never do it again.
She put her foot in that one there. Better she put her foot in there. For real.
Okay, next. Is that the only one? Because I think that's good if that's the only one.
It started. Berries that were on sale and raspberries that were on sale. Corn flakes, marshmallows, 2 marshmallows. I've been especially good. 1 heaping teaspoonful of sugar. And I'm using powdered sugar. It's especially good tasting.
Wait.
2. Secret ingredient, of course.
What's that?
What?
Chocolate milk.
Milk.
Okay.
Bathroom break.
Very good.
Bathroom.
Did anybody say the bathroom break?
Not quite done yet.
I mean,
it's going to be a healthful meal. Has a lot of vitamins.
Has a lot of what kind of vitamins, sir?
That were added to the corn flakes.
Really? Like what?
Well, that's not so bad.
Like sucrose?
The focus here is on good.
Yeah, but that's not terrible. That's not terrible.
It just, you know, you ever had like a late night visit to the fridge and you can't make up your mind what to have.
Yes,
so you have
everything.
like all kind of things. Like I love ice cream with banana chips, St. Mary's banana chips, and I would add bits of chocolate and like, you know, oats and all kind of things in it. And peanuts and in the ice cream. And it tastes really nice. It just a bounty of flavors.
I'm sure that
tastes
tastes nice to him.
vitamins, but it have flavor.
I'm sure that a lot of flavor as well because
it does, but I think he needs to go to the bathroom.
No, in a bathroom, that name sugar in a bowl. The man put three, you know, you have to make sure 3 marshmallows specifically.
Right.
And then put some fruits underneath it.
Right.
The cereal and the chocolate milk.
Right.
And the
sugar, the powdered sugar. Powdered sugar, that.
3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Don't forget, because you put any less in it, it's not going to taste as good.
Yeah, I'd pass. I'd pass at that one, because, yeah, you give that to a child, them up for the whole night.
But Debbie, I think you'd eat that, though.
I would not eat that. No, let me tell you, you throw me off with the chocolate milk. You can't put chocolate milk on that. Everything gets soggy. I don't want it.
So
nope. No,
what's the difference?
Give me a squeeze of what you call it now? The whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, man. If you put whipped cream on that,
I
possibly could eat it. But
next.
Chocolate milk, no.
Debbie, your belly must run off.
In nearby bushes.
Your belly escaping in nearby bushes.
Your belly run off in the nearby bushes. Still search. What is the heavens?
Oh, pizza.
That very hot. Do not touch.
It's pizza.
What is this?
Pizza, Debbie.
Okay, what is he putting it under?
Can I get it out?
First pizza in the pizza oven.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh my
What
gosh!
happened? What? I didn't see. What happened?
And she here, so she put the pizza in the
Yeah, and the thing.
and then just go like this and it's turn over.
The pizza turnover?
Yeah, in the coal. I feel bad for them.
I feel bad too.
But you know, they wouldn't waste though.
You flip it back over and put it back together?
Not wasting.
Really?
Take out where you can take out, salvage where you can salvage. Not wasting.
Oh my God.
I mean, not wasting it. The coal now kill me.
You just said the coal won't kill us,
No,
all
the-
the little bits and
Yeah,
pieces
man.
of.
Fiber.
You are crazy, Dwayne. God no.
That's called activated charcoal.
What are you doing, Uncle Jack?
Oh no. Oh no.
It's just
I can't
That's
see.
a chicken.
That's a whole chicken?
It's a
Does
turkey.
it have feathers on it?
it's just the skin.
It's just the skin?
Jack, that's not even funny.
That's more than just the skin, brother. I mean, that's how that's how some people prepare the turkey, like when it's Thanksgiving time, you know. Like they dip the whole turkey in it.
Sorry.
But that was burnt turkey. But at least it's the skin. I can peel off the skin and then eat what's You can't stay there. Me? Anyways, after watching those videos, I definitely, me, Talia, Debbie, all the way. Top chef.
Yeah, man.
Easily.
Big things.
Easily.
Like testers and chefs and these things. Yeah. With that.
Yeah.
Love that.
Right.
Anyways.
Yeah, take a
Let's
dance break.
What?
Dance break.
Okay, good, yeah. The baby and Dua Lipa here is levitating. We have to get away from here.
Free the people.
We have to get away
Free the
from
people.
here.